Well, hey guys, welcome to my channel. And today I'll be showing you how to beat Vortex, the deadly master of air, from 2 levels. I won't be able to do much because this monkey beak can only appear once. So remember, don't play it so fast. 1 minute. Sorry guys, I had to pause for a bit. And so now I'll tell you how to beat Vortex level 2 if you have to play only once in a day and not many times, or some 5 hours or something like that. So first, do not play your balloon beacon at the starting only, or else you will not go to level 2 and be stuck at level 1. So let us start. I like boss fights because these are really interesting. 1 minute. Now you can hear the sound. So I forgot to turn on the sound. So you have to add dartling guns. For now I'm adding 4 of them, and do not upgrade them to powerful darts, only focused firing. Remember, Vortex is really difficult to take over. That is why we are going to use 4. Not but that difficult because he's a boss balloon. See? So instantly his bar goes down. And so easily we defeated level 1. This video will be quite short, but I don't think that you will take any time to defeat Vortex level 1 or 2, but this is good. Okay, so Vortex level 1 gives you, it will show now. This gives you 500 city cash and 1 monkey knowledge pack. You don't have to buy all these things. And plus 150 coins, and not coins, city cash, and 5 balloon stones. 1 minute. So guys, as I told you earlier, you have to do the balloon beacon, or should I say balloon beacon. I have it in easy mode, so today I think I'm lucky. It's the normal gaming, so I'll pause my recording and I'll tell you later what happens. Okay, I think it would be better that I would show you the gameplay. It would make a video longer and fun to see. So 1 minute. No sound. This is the rarest thing I've ever seen. So let us add a ninja, a spike factory, and a ship. Oh, this is 9 rounds. It's easy. Leads might be coming out there, so I need some sort of protection. So I think Wizardy would help us today. Go on, Wizard. You add this. What? Okay, that's good, but we also need fire. Oh, there is a boomerang monkey in the monkey team. So I wonder what happens in the enchanted boomerang. I have already made that video, and I think you'll find it in my channel. Of course, you'll find it in my channel. Now we are going to have the best monkey buccaneer ever, which is the destroyer. Grip shot, crow's nest. Now you see there's a little rotating, you know what's that called, radar over it. Sorry for the background noise. I'm really sorry. 1 minute, guys. Sorry guys, I couldn't complete this, so I'll continue with my video. Our video actually. So we need a master ninja discipline to be powerful, and we also need a master wizard to be powerful. Now this guy shoots lightning bolts. You know what's the craziest thing of all? If there are balloons at the end side and your wizard is at the front side, then also it can attack. I think it would be good if probably we had some sort of submarines. And helicopters perhaps. Quad darts. Bigger jets. And that clinking voice is really... Now I think we barely need a destroyer, so we need to sell this, and this is too slow. And we need to add some defense at the end. So this is how you win the balloon beacon. I'll quickly show you. Okay, we'll go to the balloon beacon victory, the Vortex. So we'll go to level 2 now. Vortex will be dead now. So adding you Dartling gun, guys, might help. Not you guys who are watching. I'm talking about the tackling guns. Oh, this is a little bit complicated to understand, I think. Level 1 is always the easiest. So, sorry for the background noise, I think it's coming. Okay, so guys, we see our Vortex is really weak now because we have almost crippled him to his death. And 3, 2, 1. Explosion. And defeated, you have crippled Vortex. Time for loot. So let us find our good loot. And that's how you beat Vortex level 2 without waiting in 1 hour. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe this video.